Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear calculation of mode in continuous series. Here statement is given, calculate mode from the following data. Values are given, the values of x and f are given. And here the values of x are given in inclusive series. And we have to prepare exclusive series. We will convert this inclusive series into exclusive series. This is inclusive. So what is the difference between first class intervals upper limit and next class intervals lower limit? There is a difference of 1. So 1 will be divided into two parts. 1 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5. So we will add 0.5 to the upper limit. We will add 0.5 to the upper limit and we will subtract 0.5 from the lower limit. So the calculations will be 0.5. Here lower limit 10, 0.5 will be deducted from it, 9.5, 19.5, 29.5, 39.5, 49.5, 59.5, 69.5 or 79.5. And we will add 0.5 to the upper limit. It will be 9.5, 19.5, 29.5, 39.5, 49.5, 59.5, 69.5, 79.5 and last one is 89.5. And here frequency is also given. We have converted this inclusive series into exclusive series, and now with the help of this exclusive series we will find out the value of mode. Here mode is the value, we know that mode is the value which occurs maximum times in a frequency distribution. So it means our mode will be lie in class interval 40 to 49. So mode will be lie from 40 to 49. So we will write 28 as F1 and previous frequency F0 and F2. We will tick mark to the highest frequency. Now let us write down the formula for the calculation of mode in a continuous series. Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by common equal class interval. So mode is equal to, what is the lower limit? So lower limit is, because we have converted, this is L, 39.5 plus F1 is 28 minus F0 15 divided by 2 multiplied by F1 28 minus F0 15 minus F2 which is 6 and multiplied by, we are having equal class interval of 10. So it will be equivalent to 39.5 plus 13 divided by minus 21 multiplied by 10 is equal to 39.5 plus 13 divided by 35 and multiplied by 10 is equal to 39.5 plus 26 divided by 7 is equal to 39.5 plus 0.7 is equal to 39.5 plus 3.7, 43.2 will be the value of mode. 43.2. So we have already, so Z is equal to 43.2. We have already estimated that our mode will be lie in class interval 40 to 49, or this is inclusive series. We have converted this inclusive series into exclusive series. So mode will be lie in class interval 39.5 to 49.5. So our answer is Z is equal to 43.2. So this is the value of mode. We have calculated mode in a continuous series. So do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to mode. Thank you.